Welcome. My name's Luke. I'm here at Forge Motorsport. I'm going to be doing a little bit of work on Stephen Baggsy's new drift car. So I think the idea behind this is to...
So we tested the car yesterday for the very first time. It's my brand new Toyota GT86 Drift Masters, essentially, European Championship drift car. We are running a 2JZ with quite a big turbo, and our inlet temperatures are a little bit higher than I would be comfortable leaving the UK with. So our first event is in Spain in a few weeks' time. And after testing yesterday, the temperature for racing in the UK would be absolutely fine. I think that how it is now would be great, but I foresee going to a hotter temperature country to go racing, our temperatures are going to start to get more and more hotter, and obviously that's going to soak into our horsepower. So if we can try and get a little bit better inlet temperatures with some nice Forge skilled intercooler fabrication work, that would be great.
Yeah, so as usual, what we're going to do for Forge is we're going to really increase our comfort level, and he's going to feel like he's sat in a nice Chesterfield, you know, when he's there in Spain, because he's going to be completely relaxed, because the IATs are going to be reduced massively. In fact, it is going to be too cold to hold. So can't wait to get stuck into the motor. You know, really stoked. Tomorrow, first thing, gonna start putting it apart, work out what our plan is, and yeah, give it a week. See if he's gonna get the car back, and in a few weeks' time, he's gonna be out in Spain, smashing it, and getting some trophies. Can't wait, stoked. See you in a bit.